In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Canva. First, open your Canva project. So this is my Canva project. Then you can add text in your project in couple of ways. First, go to the text. You can find it in the left side of the Canva project. So click the text button and there are a couple of options available. So the first option is add a text box. If you want to make a fresh Canva text design or style, then you can just click here to add a fresh text box from here. You can also select from brand kit like title and heading, subheading. These are the some style of your text based on how bold or what types of size you want to add in your Canva projects. There are a couple of ready-made or style you can use in your Canva project. Let's say if you want to make this design, you can just select it and just now change the font. So these are the ready-made font or style for you. You can use these types of font. So now I want to add a fresh or a new text box. Click here and it will show you a text box. Now select it and add your text. So my first design is my text. Now you can change the fonts of your design from here. Click here. There are a lot of fonts in Canva, but one thing you should remember that some of the fonts you will find a crown option or crown icon besides the font. These fonts are only available for the pro user. If you are a Canva free user, you don't need to or you don't use these types of font because these fonts are for pro user. If you use this font, you can't download your Canva project. So skip the font which has the crown icon besides the font name if you are a Canva free user. If you are a Canva pro user, then you can use any types of font. Let's say I want to use this font to my design, or let's say I want to add this font for my design. So this is the font. Now you can just uh, make the font size large or smaller by dragging the edge of the font or text, or you can also select the font and click plus button to make it large. You can also click the minus icon to make it smaller. You can also add a fixed or default size here, let's say 80. So it will adjust as per your default font size. You can also colorize your font. Let's say I want to make the font color. Let's say first select your text and now change the color. So you can also change the color from here. So let's say there are other options available. This is the alignment option. If you have text, just normal text, let's say I want to add some text, pasting it here. So now let's say I want to make this bold. I can make this font bold. I can click here to make this italic. I can also set the adjustment. Let's say this is the justify adjustment. This is the right alignment. This is the left this is the middle alignment, this is the left alignment. So you can set the alignment from here, and you can also uh, click here to make a list. Let's say I want to make a list. This is one, this is two, this is three. So you can add list by clicking here. You can also click here to make more adjustment. Let's say letter spacing, line spacing, and you can also anchor middle, keep the anchor middle, keep the anchor start, keep the anchor end. So these are the some adjustment. You can adjust this if you need these types of adjustment. So I want to make this is good. And you can also do other thing. Select your text, and you can also add effects. Click here. There are some of the templates of effects or style. Let's say I want to add this style. You can control further if you need it. Let's say offset, direction, blur, transparency. You can also set the color. Let's say I want to add the second color as black, so I can adjust this. You can add other types of text. Let's say I want to add this style. So this is the style, and you can adjust your outline color. So this is my outline color. So these are the common use case of fonts or text. So here are a couple of text available. You can also try these types of text. Let's say I want to add this. So now bt whisper. So I want to change the font from here. Let's say I want to make it Poppins, and let's change the color. So these are the common things you can do if you want to add text in Canva. You can also set your brand text from here. So this is my brand palette or brand kit. If you are a Canva Pro user, you will find this option available. You can set your own color. You can set your own font. Let's say this is your title font. You can add other types of setting from here. Click here, and if you want to set your all of the title font style, you can go with this. Let's say this is my font. I want to add this font when I use title. So you can set up your custom fonts or style from here, as it is a brand kit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw the comment below. I will check your comment and reply your comment as soon as possible. Thank you so much.